One really great thing about being a finished craftsman is that we get to be one of the very last people in on a project, especially when you're working in somebody's home. You know how construction projects go. I mean, sometimes things go really, really wrong. A lot of the time, by the time I get into a job, people have been through the ringer. I mean, they've had problems with every contractor all the way down the line. They're frazzled. And I just love having the opportunity to be that last guy that they meet, to finish the project really strong, to do really good work, and to be really sensitive to their needs and finish on a high note. And something like that has never been more important than it is right now. I mean, people are just being inundated with bad news every day, all day long. And if you're fortunate enough to be able to go into somebody's home at this time to do work, it is a great opportunity to just be a calming presence there. Do good work, leave a great product. Those people will never forget you, because what they'll remember was, in a time of crisis, someone came into my home, they were thoughtful, they were considerate, do all the right things, keep the right distances, be clean, and follow protocol. But most of all, just reassured people that there is something normal left in the world. And I'll tell you what, years from now, when they think back on this crisis, they'll remember you. And when they need something, they're going to call you.